guys, and welcome back to our tutorial series. Before I start off, first of all, I'd like to thank a couple of people for filling in and doing some stuff for me. Number one, I would like to thank one of my mates for putting an update video out for me. His name is Hong, and I'm sure you guys have seen that update because he told me you guys couldn't understand him, and he was on Skype as well. He was using my Skype name, so just to answer you guys back, I do apologize for his English. He didn't speak good English or write good English, so major thanks to him, just to let you guys know that I wasn't here. But unfortunately I was supposed to be away for 2 weeks, but I shortened that down. I didn't have time, so I just came back. I did the meeting as fast as possible that I could, and got away with it. And second of all, I'd like to thank a not so epic production for a very great intro he made for me. He made the previous one as well. It was a different account he used to have. His account is in my description box. Please subscribe to him and like his videos. It will mean a lot to me, so thank you if you do that. And second of all, this is a very big thanks to someone. I'm not going to mention name yet. I just want to show you what he done for me. And you may be noticing in the background that I'm not using my normal scene, because at the moment in my tutorial series I'm going to start using this now, and he's actually going to start modeling a character for me, and then I'm going to start doing the same thing with that and then use that scene as what I had it before. Okay, oops, 1 second. Okay, just give me 1 second, sorry about this guys. Right, as you can see, when we start off now, we have a nice idle animation where the character just checks his gun while we're doing nothing, while we're in standard mode, which is a great thing. At least I got some animations done properly now by him, so I much appreciate what he done. Second of all, because he's doing animations for me, I've been wanting to teach this for some time. I'm not sure if you guys play Crysis 2. You have an upgrade system in there, and it's real time, so sorry. You can upgrade your gun, you can turn off your scope, you can turn off your laser sight and whatnot, and that's what I'm going to be teaching you today as well. I'll give you a quick example of what it looks like so far. That's the update mode. As you can see, all the GUI is there, and the scope is over here as well. If I click on this, scope goes off. If I click back on, scope comes on. But it's real time as well, so if I say scope off and I click back into the game mode, it stays like that. And if I say scope on, it'll stay like that as well. Unfortunately the other buttons are not working yet. I didn't finish them, just for tutorial purposes, and yeah, I'll be teaching you guys this as well, and I've been looking forward to do this as well, so yeah. So thank you very much to him for making all these animations. And on top of that, if you see this wall over here, we're doing a wall void animation. So if you go close to a wall, he'll put his gun back to his chest, and I'll show you what that looks like. Let's put that over there. Let me turn off the main script. Okay. That's what it looks like. So when we go close to the wall, for example, when we're around here somewhere, he'll just put his gun into his chest just to avoid the wall, and then when we move back, we'll go back to his normal position. So yeah, and this person is GrimReaper, and it's a very talented animator, so thank you very much for all the animations and wonderful models you've done for me. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you very much. His channel and his channel is in the description box. Please subscribe to his channel and like his videos. It would really mean a lot to me, and I would appreciate it. And also, if you guys you can check out my game. I've been working out with a couple of lads. That'll be at the end of the video. And also, I would appreciate if you follow one of my friends, name's PlayItLikeBen, does game playthroughs, and I also be appreciated if you follow him for me. He's also in the description bar. And now let's get on with the tutorial. Okay, today I'm going to be teaching you the health script. for the player, and it's similar to Battlefield 3. Where in Battlefield 3, right at the bottom, they have a map down here, and it says 100%, followed by a heartbeat signal. And that's what we're going to be doing today. But I won't be teaching the heartbeat signal today, just the percentage, the 100% to whatever. So let's just save the scene. Alright, look for your script folder. Right click, create new JavaScript, call this advanced health. Okay, double click and open more develop. Right, first thing is I want to declare two new variables. No, or more than that, but for now two. var max health. It's going to be a type integer, and it's going to be equals to 100 for now. Just save your script. The next one I need is var health GUI, and it's going to be a type GUI, that's all capitals, capital S, style. Now this can be applied to GUI as a skin, and yeah, leave that for now. Leave the update function, don't read it. The next one, we need function on capital O, lowercase n, capital GUI, open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, and close that. Save this. Inside here, we're going to be using the GUI label, not a button. We don't want people to click this. So GUI. Actually, oh, that's a good idea. We could do something later on where you could click it and it brings up a health bar system. That'd be actually quite cool. I might play around with that, see what happens. Anyways, dot label, open bracket, close bracket. Inside this one, put new rect, open bracket, and behind this closing bracket, put comma, double speech marks, plus sign, double speech marks, comma, and a closing bracket, and some a colon. Save that. Now in this last one over here, put a percentage sign and leave that how it is, and in this plus sign right after that, put max health, and then put another plus sign. Sorry, there we go. That will display our max health and by a percentage sign. Okay, now inside here we want to define where we want the GUI to be placed. Now I'm not going to do this by writing them like this. I'm going to be doing it by variables. And also at the end, after this comma, put your GUI skin. So health GUI. Save that. And go to the top. Now we're going to find some variables. And there'll be 4 of them. var rect 1. It's going to be a type float. And it's going to be equal to nothing. We'll do that ourselves. Copy this 3 more times and paste it underneath. Okay, 2, 3, and 4. Save it. Back into Unity. No errors, which is great. Click on your main camera. Let me just minimize the other scripts. Let me delete these ones out. Okay, drag your script onto the main player's camera. If I can find mine. Ah, too much scripts. There we are. Drag onto the main camera. There it is. Now run the game. At the moment you'll see nothing, which is okay.